In this tutorial, we will show you how Sellercloud reports can help you illustrate both the general performance of your business and the rate of specific performance parameters. Sellercloud reports are divided into categories. If you know the category you should refer to, you can easily find the report you need. To see profit and loss statistics across orders, refer to the profit and loss category. Select P&L order summary or P&L details to see details for each order. Select a date range and apply any other required filters. Request the data by clicking Run Report. If you want to display profit and loss data by product, run Product Profit Summary or Details Reports. The Sales Reports category is focused on representing sales revenues. You can display that data for each product, company, sales rep, etc. You can also review the products ordered during a specific period from different channels and identify the performance of each channel. Go to the Sales category, select a specific report and a date range. Add the appropriate filters, and click Run Report. Note that the sales reports only include data for fully shipped orders. To analyze sales from different periods, refer to the Sales Comparison Summary or Details Reports. These reports allow you to compare sales data year over year, month over month, or quarter over quarter. To do so, select a compare interval and a compare method. To display all orders that have been created and evaluate both actual and estimated profit, go to the Orders category, select any of the orders reports, specify the date range for the reports, and click Run Report. These reports are used if you want to see orders as they are placed, not shipped. Note that orders reports include both shipped and unshipped orders. Returns and refunds allows you to see an overview of the amounts refunded from a particular channel or company. You can run refunds reports based on refund, order, or ship date. To see the operational performance of an order, run a shipping report. With the help of the fulfillment dashboard, you can see the fulfillment performance based on the expected shipping order date. To get the order's shipping details, select Shipping Report. Here you can see the carrier and the shipping method applied to the order, along with the shipping costs and fulfillment performance. The tracking report also reflects shipping data on orders but provides more detailed package data. Inventory reports focus on reporting quantities and values of the inventory you keep across multiple warehouses, companies, and channels. This provides info on products that are currently in stock and the ones that have not been sold for a long period of time. You can request these reports for a particular date or for a specific date range. Select the product SKUs you want to get a report on and click Run Report. Products by Component reports show the sold product units, both those ordered as kits and those ordered as individual items. Running quantity sold by channels will let you investigate which channel has more sales of a particular product. Transaction reports return profit data based on payment transactions. These are SKU-based reports that use credits and debits to record transactions on SKUs. Settlement reports allow you to detect discrepancies between Sellercloud data and settlements sent from the channel, as well as resolve unsettled records by selecting the requested settlement in the report. By running AR aging reports, you can get information about the progress of overdue payments and how many customers have overdue order payments. AR aging details offers deep insight into each customer. The Custom Reports section is useful for clients with unique workflows who might need customizations. To configure a custom report, contact Sellercloud support. Thank you for watching.